Well, Rakhi Sawant has filed a complaint against Mayank Gandhi for his sexist slur. Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Mumbai Northwest, Mayank Gandhi, has launched a verbal tirade against Rakhi Sawant, who's also contesting from the same constituency after floating her own party, the Rashtriya Aam Party. Gandhi said that he said that only non-serious voters and those who want to have fun would vote for Rakhi Sawant, and that she was doing it merely for entertainment and had nothing to offer. Sawant has hit back now, and she says that a man who doesn't respect women has no authority to contest elections. A case is all set to be registered at the Oshiwara police station. So Rakhi Sawant taking on Mayank Gandhi now. Mayank Gandhi apparently, in a reference to Rakhi Sawant, said that only non-serious voters are going to be voting for her because they would want to just have fun. Also for Rakhi Sawant, he said that she was not serious about these elections and only doing it for entertainment purpose. In fact, Rakhi Sawant has taken serious objection to those remarks that were made by contestant Mayank Gandhi, who's the Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Mumbai Northwest, the same constituency from where Rakhi Sawant herself is contesting from her newly formed party, the Rashtriya Aam Party. Rakhi Sawant has now taken a complaint to the police. And soon we understand a case at the Oshiwara police station will be registered. Surya Singh is now joining us with more details. Surya, when were these comments made by Mayank Gandhi?
This was during a campaigning rally actually which he was handling, as we know that Rakhi Sawant is also contesting from the same Northwest constituency which is being fought by Mayank Gandhi also from AAP. And now what Rakhi Sawant's statement is that he has complained that Mayank Gandhi has used silly words which hampers women modesty, and she felt satisfied, and that's why she filed the complaint for it. And this was during a promotional rally, when he was taking on the opposition, all the opposition parties. So when it came to Rakhi, he made this particular comment, and Rakhi has taken a strong objection to it.
Also, Surya, Rakhi is of course registering a complaint with the police, but is she also planning to use this issue in election campaigns?
I think she probably will, because, the way things are, like I also spoke to her, and that's what she told me, that, these kind of things. Earlier also she said that, she took offense to why was Salman Khan promoting Gurdas Kamat. She also made a statement as to, in her constituency, there were many issues which she wants to raise and she wants to bring light to. So this is also because her main slogan is for women and women respect for women. So definitely she is going to bring this along, when she goes for campaigning and for rallying for her own cause.
Surya Singh, many thanks for joining us with those details. So Rakhi Sawant fuming over the sexist, or rather sexist overtones that were there in Mayank Gandhi's comments regarding her being a non-serious candidate and only non-serious voters going ahead and voting for her for entertainment purpose.